let's get back. Yeah. And a lot of anime stuffs again because that's what we want. So ये है हमारा पैकेट and let me थोड़ा सा zoom in हल्का सा. So Barbie. तो I should like थोड़ा सा zoom out करते हैं. So it's like a very classic Barbie and I'll just a little bit. So this is how doll and accessories. This has a T and it has like कुछ तो फ्रेंच में लिखा हुआ है. दिस इज मेटल एम्पावरिंग द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन थ्रू प्ले इंस्पिरलेस एंड दिस इज लाइक फ्रांस आई थिंक फ्रेंच में है. सो एंड दिस इज हाउ इट्स लुक्स. दिस इज अटेंशन 3+ मेटल एंड यहाँ पे दिस इज आई थिंक ये फ्लिपकार्ट पे आता है. इधर क्या कर रहा है नो आइडिया बट एंड देन देयर इज दिस टेप. ह्यूज टेप लगा हुआ है as you can see. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ इस and then there is this hang but let me get rid of the tape thingy. हाँ there is a tape लगा बहुत ही अच्छा खासा इतने प्यार से सके. So this is like a very classic Barbie set and this has an hat and it is good quality though, like the pink if you can see it's very nice. So I'll just zoom it a little bit. So there's like a very pink hat and very nice color pink, like it is certainly a good color pink. Then let's have, there are a lot of small cute items. I just don't want to, I think do I have to rip it apart? Let me just open it up. There are a lot of things that I have to take it apart. I think the legs probably. Okay, so these are like a slots. But क्या इनको बिना फाड़े निकाला जा सकता है? Question is that. There are still some okay, I think this is finally we get back and this has all the things that movable legs क्योंकि पहले वाले Barbies में legs move नहीं करते थे and this is the thing and it has this golden that thing, that shiny hair. I know it's too old to play dolls and it has this all movable and this actually removes because that was the Barbie ka pitch. And the dress also, the quality of the dress, everything, and this is like a very classic dress. So and अगर हम मैं इसकी साइज़ की बात करूँ so it will be like about oh not 30 centimeters 1 feet now, about a feet. So this is like about a feet. So it's like a proper 30 centimeter proper Barbie. It's a big, like just see, look at that, and everything from the dresses, the hair, the blonde hair. So if you like see the color of eyes, it's like a original metal मतलब वो company metal. So see, everything looks nice. That like looks proper and this cleaning this thing. So you can like make it like this stand. You can do बस एक ही joint पे होता है and this has this and it also has a hat. So let me put on a hat and then also heads also rotates like this and hat also fits. So yeah, this is like a Barbie and then this is like a beach wala thing and this has all the, it has all the accessories like a bag and everything. So let me try to remove it. God, just don't want to remove it now, मतलब थोड़ा time लगेगा. मैं so exactly नहीं फाड़ना चाहता but it has a bag, like you can see it has those things. Should I do it? Things does not come out directly, so you have to rip it apart, but I don't want to do that right now. So let me just show you this, like these are the things. So yeah, this is it. Good link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.